Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. أو أزل أو أزل أو أظلم أو أظلم. Or I slip or I am made to slip by others, or I do wrong or I be wronged. So we start with أو أزل. أزل means I slip. Zalla means he slipped. Azilla or I slip. أو uzalla, or I am made to slip. This is again passive voice. Okay, I slip, azilla أو uzalla, or I am made to slip by others. أو أظلم, or I do wrong. أو أظلم, or I be wronged. Now أظلم is from ظلم. ظلم occurs in the Quran, in different forms, more than almost 237 times. So let us practice. Zalama means he wronged. He did zulm. Zalama. Can you repeat after me the three verb keys and the three noun keys? Zalama, yazlimu, izlim.
Zalama, yazlimu, izlim.
Zalim, mazlum, zulm.
Zalim, mazlum,
Zulm.
zulm.
Okay. Aw azlima aw uzlama, or I do wrong or I be wronged. Azilla or uzalla means, oh Allah, let me not slip into committing any evil deed knowingly or unknowingly, and let no one cause me to slip. Adlima or uzlama, oh Allah, let me not harm anyone in any way, in his body, honor, money, or rights. Let no one harm me either. Committing a sin is also a zulm against one's own self. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.